fully automatic paper lead forming machine designed to produce high quality lead for a wide range of paper containers. It supports different paper materials including kraft paper and cups of paper, which gives manufacturer a flexibility to meet various packaging requirements. Machine efficiently forms strong and precise lids that can be used onto bowl ice cream tubs, takeaway containers, salad bowl, and other food packaging products. With its automatic forming system, the machine ensures consistent quality, high production speed, and reliable performance, making it an ideal solution for modern paper packaging production.